Hello everyone. Today I'll be telling how to create a professional sales dashboard using Excel. This is the sales dashboard that I've created. So this is the order date. This is the customer name. This is the state or the place where the customer is situated. This is the category of the product that the customer has ordered. This is the exact product that he has ordered. Sales amount. This is the quantity of the product that this customer has ordered. Profit earned after sales. This is the month and year of sales. So initially, I've created three slicers: year, month, and category. Slicers help in quicker filtering of data. The charts update automatically when I click the uh, slices. I have four KPIs. So this is the total sales and total profit. So these won't change even after I select any of these uh, items in the slices. But these two KPIs, total sales and total profit, they change according to whatever I select in the filters. Next, I have the bar chart, that is profit by category. So for this, I have used the bar chart. Then I have the sales by subcategory. For this, I have used Treemap. So larger the blocks, it means larger the sales. So if you compare the sales of laptop and paper, the sales of laptop is more. Then I have customer count by year. So for this, I have used donut chart. So quickly I'll show the demo of the Excel dashboard. So I'll select the year 2025. All these charts update automatically. So these two have changed, whereas these two have remained the same. This has also changed. Customer count by year, it remains the same. So even I can give it like this. I can even do multi-select in the slicer. So meaning I'll just remove the filter so that everything gets selected. Now I'll select 2025 and then I'll select 2026. So here you can see I selected 2. Then here also I can select like technology. Sorry, I can select furniture and office supplies, 2 of them. So data gets updated according to whatever options I've selected in the slicers. Whereas these two will remain the same. They won't change at any point of time. Finally, I'd like to conclude that Excel dashboard, they answer business questions within seconds and they're fully interactive and uh, they respond quickly and enables quick and efficient data analysis. For more videos on Excel or any other IT videos, click on like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.